An absolutely great honour. It's never did I think that I would be wearing a gown and a cap in Swansea. Swansea is such a brilliant place to work and to live. We're really lucky in Swansea to have two first-class universities, and I really feel it is a great honour to be awarded this honorary fellowship today. I would say I have confidence in Swansea, I have confidence in Wales. Make sure that they work hard, be happy, I think is important. We are lucky to live in such an area with so much natural beauty, where people are friendly. And I think when Dylan Thomas said it's the graveyard of ambition, what he meant was it's got everything in Swansea. You don't need to move away to be successful. And I would say make sure that you make the right decisions, but essentially be happy. I'm content in Swansea, because Swansea is going places. We're seeing the biggest regeneration I think we've seen in decades. So great place to live, great place to work, and a great place to enjoy life.